Sleep is an essential part of maintaining good physical and mental health. It is recommended that adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. While the exact timing of sleep may vary based on individual preferences and schedules, here are some reasons why it is generally beneficial to establish a habit of sleeping early. Restorative sleep. Sleeping early allows you to align your sleep patterns with the natural circadian rhythm, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle. This helps ensure that you obtain sufficient deep and REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, which are crucial for physical and mental restoration. Deep sleep promotes physical recovery, while REM sleep is important for memory consolidation and cognitive functioning. Increased productivity. Waking up early after a good night's sleep can enhance productivity. When you sleep early, you have a higher chance of waking up feeling refreshed and energized. This allows you to start your day with a clear mind, improved focus, and heightened concentration, enabling you to be more efficient and productive in your daily tasks and responsibilities. Improved mental well-being. Sufficient sleep is closely linked to emotional well-being. Lack of sleep or poor sleep quality can contribute to mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and even depression. By sleeping early and ensuring an adequate amount of sleep, you give your brain the opportunity to rest and rejuvenate, promoting better emotional resilience and overall mental health. Enhanced physical health. Sleeping early is beneficial for your physical health in various ways. Studies have shown that inadequate sleep is associated with an increased risk of developing chronic conditions such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and compromised immune function. On the other hand, getting enough sleep has been linked to better weight management, improved immune response, and a reduced risk of certain health issues. Better cognitive functioning. Sleep plays a crucial role in cognitive processes, including memory, learning, problem-solving, and creativity. When you sleep early and adequately, you provide your brain with the opportunity to consolidate information and strengthen neural connections, leading to improved cognitive abilities and better overall cognitive functioning. Healthy daily routine. Sleeping early can help establish a healthy daily routine. When you consistently prioritize early sleep, you are more likely to adopt other healthy habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet. It also allows you to wake up early and have time for self-care, planning your day, and engaging in activities that promote personal growth and well-being. While it may not always be possible to sleep early due to work or personal commitments, making a conscious effort to prioritize and optimize your sleep can have significant long-term benefits for your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. It is important to create a sleep-friendly environment, establish a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sleep a priority in your daily schedule.